Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Father's Day. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool new model I just designed. Check it out. It is an origami heart, and this one right here has an arrow right here. See? That's pointing down. And this one I managed to make a tie right here. And it also looks like an arrow kinda. But here I made this part into a tie. And yeah, so if you look closely, they do look a little bit different. Because see, these edges on this one are slanted. And there's going straight down on this one. So yeah, so I'm going to show you both of these. So first this one, and then this one. So, alright, here goes. Okay, so for these two models, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of Origami. So, let's begin white side up and fold in half. So this will give me a colored heart with a white arrow or tie. And unfold, and now fold the edges to the crease. Okay, unfold, and now fold this edge to the last crease. And unfold, and fold this edge to the last crease. Okay, and unfold, and now turn over. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this crease right here. So this is the second crease up from this raw edge, so 1, 2. So lift the second crease up and fold it onto the center. Like this, so we make a new fold in between here. Like this. So yeah, this is a pleat fold we're making. Alright, so now since we unfold, there's a new fold in between there. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to turn over and just make this really sharp. Okay, this part right here, this is going to be the tie. Now turn over and rotate like this, so here's the pleat we did. And take this crease and fold it to there also. Okay, and turn over and make it really sharp. Okay, now turn over and let's fold this in half. It's a little bit harder because it's more layers of paper you're folding on. Well, on the center part. Okay, and now let's make another door base, so fold the two sides to the center. Okay, and now take this edge and fold it here. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to open this and we're going to squash it like this. And if you just want to go ahead and open it and squash it, go ahead. But to make it a little bit easier since there's beginners, let's fold this edge to here. But if you know how to make a squash, you don't need to do this step. But this step makes the squash easier though, because we're going to squash it on existing creases. Now unfold, and now let's open it up and squash it just like this. Okay, that should be pretty easy, just like that. Alright, now on this one, I'm just going to go ahead and make the squash. So I'm just going to open here and squash it. Like that. Okay, and now take this edge, and we're going to tuck it under this edge, like this. And repeat on this side. So just lift it up and stick it under there. Okay, like this. So this is the top of, this is the arrow, or the tie, whatever it is. And now, let's round it. So, turn over, and we're going to do kind of a airplane fold. So we're going to take these edges and we're going to fold them to the center. Okay, just like that. And now, here is our arrow completed, and let's turn over. And now we're gonna take this edge. Actually, before we do this, let's take these two edges and fold them to the center. Let's make it look more like a heart first, and then we can do that. And same on this side. Okay, and then now we're gonna do is let's make it look more like a heart. So we're gonna do is we're gonna round it. So let's start rounding it like this. Just shape it to taste. Oh wait, actually, yeah. Before we do that, let's take this edge and fold it up. We're gonna fold. You could keep it like this, but I'm gonna fold it down a little bit so that way it's not raw edges up here. So it's a folded edge, which makes it look cleaner. Okay, and then now it's rounded off, so just fold it to taste, like this. And same here. Okay, and now for the crevice, here's what we're gonna do. So this is a little bit harder. Well, we're gonna make a reverse fold, so just kind of fold it in half just a little bit. Don't fold it all the way, you can just fold it about like that. And then now let's make a little reverse fold. So, and this reverse fold is to taste. I'm just gonna make it on the white part right here. And it's a lot of layers, so I hope you can do this. Okay, just like this. And there is our heart right there. And this heart is actually adjustable, so if you find that the edges right here are too long, then what you can do is you can just unfold right here, and you can just adjust these. So actually on these two models, I folded these two edges to the edges right here. But you can fold them to the center if you want. So you can adjust them like this. Or you can unfold them and you can fold them maybe to the creases if you want. But I'm going to keep them like this. Alright, and then now let's refold the heart like this. So that's the cool thing about this model. You can kind of adjust it if you don't like the way it looks. Alright. Let's see if that's better. And yeah, that looks much better looking. See? So they're not quite as long right here. Yeah? So there's the heart with the arrow. So if you like it like that, then you're done. But now I'm going to show you how to slant these two edges a little bit so it makes it look more like a tie. So to do that, let's unfold the heart again. Even this edge right here. Just to about there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it up on this point right here. And you want this raw point right here, or whatever, to touch this middle line right here. Like that, and repeat on this side. Alright, and now let's unfold those. And now let's tuck them inside, so we're just mountain folding on those creases we just made. Like that. And repeat on this side. And now it's a tie, because see, the edges are more slanted. And now let's refold the heart, so fold this edge back up like this. And fold the corners. And let's remake that crevice. Like that. And now it is a tie. So there it is. Origami heart with a die. And what's cool about it is that since it's convex up here, it makes it look like it's kind of 3D a little bit. So it's a 3D heart with a tie or an arrow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, see if it spins on the table. Yep, it spins. Yep, so it can spin on a smooth table like this. And yeah, so there you have it. Alright, hope you guys were able to fold that, and make sure you subscribe, and have a happy Father's Day. Alright, see you guys later.